4 clicks is all it takes to get a full transcript from any Loom video. Learn the exact path to generate scripts in under 60 seconds. We'll start in the library, pick your video, trigger the script generation, and reveal where the transcript appears. 4 steps, no guesswork. Start by clicking on Library in the sidebar to see all your saved videos. Then, click on the video you'd like to transcribe to open it up. Now, hit Generate. This will create a script for you if your video has speech. Finally, click on Transcript to view your recorded script. And that's it. Enjoy! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.